guess I got soda in there, carbonation, causing it to kind of explode its way up. So it kind of makes sense there why it fizzled up. But yeah, I don't want all that sugary stuff all over my stuff. Oh, come on, the top and then freaking came off this thing. This stuff is like, okay, let's see if we can get in there now without it, the top coming up. Okay, there we go. That there, and then this one here. Let's see here, how do we want to do this? That'll work. All right. Okay, 2 orders from Taco Bell, which I generally prefer. Now, let's get ready to get out of here. Here. All right. Who are we going to first? Order. Complete pickup.
Drop off at 87150 Catalina Street.
Let him know I'm on my way. And yep, that's what I figured. Down to my Ely. I think I'm good here. Thing is up. That's not my scooter.